Dhoni is the call. He's hit it in the air. Fina trying to get underneath it.
Is Dhoni going to finish it with a biggie?
Oh, short arm jab, but he'll find the man at long on. Comes back for two, in fact.
Stay on the field. There you see. Makes cricket so better. And that's the helicopter shot. Does it go all the way? Yes, it does.
And you're inching towards 300. There's one smash down the ground. Have a look at that.
Keep hitting them, MS. There you see. The big.
Phenomenal.
Goes full again, there's that power again, finds the gap, yes, 4 more to Dhoni. There he goes again, that's it, helicopter shot, and that's 4 more.
Ball here. Boom. Thank you very much. Very still head, very still upper body.
There it is, power again, has he found the gap? Yes, he has, it's
Helicopter shot.
Get underneath it. And the helicopter shot. It goes many a mile once again. Oh, the helicopter's out. It's gone miles in the air.
The helicopter shot. There it is. Oh, the chopper.
Even David Warner had no chance.
Goes again. Bottom and over Warner. Second 6.
Oh, almost takes his head off.
What a shot!
And what's coming up? Dhoni! Helicopter as it clears the stadium.
Take that. Has it carried? Straight this time. Very hard. No chance.
uses those iron.
Look at that shot.